the song of harvest home. All is safely gathered in, ere the winter storms begin. God our Maker doth provide for our need to be supplied. Come to God's own temple, come, raise the song of harvest home.
Oh, the world is God's own field, fruit unto God's praise to yield, wheat and tares together sown, unto joy or sorrow grown. First the blade and then the ear, then the full corn shall appear. Lord of harvest, grant that we wholesome grain and pure may be.
Then, O Church triumphant, come, raise the song of harvest home. All are safely gathered in, free from